want to say that if you've not looked into the Manure Denture Clinic, it's time that you do.
I'm enjoying the small things in life again. My life has changed completely.
Polo Park Hearing Center can change your life too. You're on a journey to reconnect, and we can help you. We have the best quality of hearing instruments, including New Ear, with 6 different styles to meet your needs and lifestyle.
I'm glad I didn't wait. I'm glad I went to Polo Park Hearing Center.
Polo Park Hearing Center is located in the lower level of Polo Park Shopping Center. Call or visit us today.